Good morning everyone. Today let's continue with our chapter Equal Sharing in Maths. So in the last class we learned what is repeated subtraction. So hope you all are thorough with the concept. Let's have a quick revision of repeated subtraction. So what is repeated subtraction? Repeated subtraction is how many times a number is subtracted from a given number to get the final answer as 0. So we keep on subtracting, and that the given number will be repeating each time till we get the answer 0. So this is repeated subtraction. Here you have a question. Let's read out the question first. Frank has 20 dog houses to build. If Frank has 5 days to build the dog houses, how many dog houses will he have to build each day? So what is the question? Frank has to build 20 dog houses. And how many days he is having? He has 5 days to build this dog houses. So we have to check one day, that is each day, how many dog houses he will be able to build. So how can we do this in the repeated subtraction method? Frank is having 20 dog houses and he has 5 days. So first 20 minus 5. So how much is 20 minus 5? It is 15. Now we got the answer 15. From this 15 again we have to subtract the number 5. So now it's 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. Now from this 10 again we have to subtract 5. So 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Now we have to subtract 5 minus 5. And what is 5 minus 5? It is 0. So here we got the answer 0. And this is repeated subtraction method. So today we are going to learn how to do division using a number strip or a number line. So first for that, let's check what is a number line. A number line can be defined as a straight line with numbers placed at equal intervals along its length. So what is a number line? Number line is a straight line. It's a horizontal line. So here you can see two number lines. So let me draw a number line for you. So a number line is a straight line and it has numbers on it, and these numbers are marked at regular intervals or equal intervals. So this is a number line and we can draw the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a number line, and today we are going to learn how to do division on this number line. So again, let's repeat the same question which we saw before. Frank has 20 dog houses to build. If Frank has 5 days to build the dog houses, how many dog houses will he have to build each day? So here, what is the division sentence? How can we write the division sentence? It is 20 divided by 5. So you can see the symbol for division inserted here. So how can we read this? 20 divided by 5. Here the number 20 is the dividend and 5 is the divisor. Now let's check using a number line. How can we do this? So we have 20 divided by 5. You can see a number line here. It has numbers from 1 to 20. Now for drawing a number line, that is in repeated subtraction method, we have to go backward. Why are we going backward? Because it is subtraction. So we have to start from the number 20 as we have the dividend 20. So let's start. Look at this number line. It is having numbers from 1 to 20. So we'll start from the number 20. So here you can see the number 20. Now how many steps should we come backwards? It is 5. So from 20 we have to come 5 steps backward. So 20 minus 5. How much it is? It is 15. So from 20, let's draw an arrow backwards to the number 15. So from 20, we are drawing to 15 and backward arrow. That means We are counting backwards. Now from 15 again we have to jump 5 steps backwards. So 15 minus 5. How much is 15 minus 5? It is 10. So from this 10 we need to reach the number 10. Now from 10 again we have to jump 5 steps backward. So 10 minus 5. How much is 10 minus 5? It is 5. So from this 10 again we are going to draw a line to the number 5. Now from this 5 we have to go 5 steps backwards. So from 5 we have to go 5 steps. So 5 minus 5. So 5 minus 5 is 0. So we have to draw a line backward till it reaches 0. So here you can see the number 0 is not written. Let's write here 0. So from this 5, let's draw a line to 0. Now our repeated subtraction is finished because we reached the number 0. Now let's see how many times we jumped to reach the number 0. So here this is the first step, second step, third step, fourth step. So how many steps did we jump? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can say that 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. Next we have divide 12 by 4. So you can see a number line here. We have to divide 12 by 4. So which is the dividend here? It is 12 and the divisor is 4. So in a number line, from where should we start? We should start from the number 12. So let's start from the number 12. And how many times should we come backwards? It is 4. So 4 steps backward, 4 numbers back we have to come till we reach the number 0. So let's start drawing here. So let's take the number 12. So from 12 we have to go 4 numbers backwards. So 12 minus 4. How much is 12 minus 4? It is 8. So let's draw a line from 12 to 8. Now what we have to do? From this 8 we have to move again 4 numbers backwards. So 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is again 4. Now what we have to do? From this 4 again we have to move backward 4 steps. So 4 minus 4. What is the answer? It is 0. So let's write 0 here and mark the arrow here. Now we have to see how many steps did we jump to reach the number 0. So this is 1, 2, 3. So how many steps did we jump? We jumped from 12 to reach 0, 3 steps. So what is the answer? 12 divided by 4, it is 3. The next question is divide 15 by 5. So for doing this, you can also take down your notebook, write today's date and the heading division using a number line. After writing that, write down the question, divide 15 by 5. Now what you have to do first after writing down the question, first we have to draw a number line. So draw a line and mark the numbers from 0 to 15. Now what we have to do? We have to do using the number line. So here the dividend is 15, divisor is 5. So where should we start from? We should start from the number 15. So from 15 we have to come back 5 steps first. So let's start doing from 15. 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. From 10 again 5 steps back. 10 minus 5 is 5 and 5 minus 5 is 0. Now how many steps did we jump? 1, 2, 3. Now what is the answer? 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. So hope your answer is also correct. So we have the next question, divide 10 by 2. So write down the question, divide 10 by 2. So after writing down the question, you have to draw the number line. For drawing the number line, you can use a ruler and mark the numbers at equal intervals from 0 to 10. Here, which number is the dividend? It is 10 and the divisor is 2. Now, from which number we should start from? We have to start from the number 10. And how many times, how many numbers should we go back? It is 2. So, you can pause the video, do it and come back. So, hope you have done. Let's check whether your answer is correct or not. From 10. So, from 10, let's go 2 numbers back. 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So, we finished jumping. Now, what is the next step? We have to check how many times did we jump. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, how many times did we jump? We jumped 5 times to reach the number 0. So, what is the answer? 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So, hope you have done it correctly. Next, you have the activity. Complete the practice coach, the exercise mentioned in page number 67. This is division using a number line. With this, we finish today's class. Hope you understood what was taught today. We'll be meeting in the next class. Thank you.